Listen up, Moreno Valley. Are you tired of struggling with a broken shower, that unpredictable water pressure, the leaks, the drips, the frustration every single morning? Your shower should be your sanctuary, your personal escape, not a source of stress and wasted water. Here's the reality. When your shower isn't working right, your entire day suffers. Cold showers on chilly mornings, hot water that won't cooperate, fixtures that fail when you need them most. Whether you're a busy professional rushing to get ready, a growing family juggling multiple schedules, or a business owner concerned about guest experiences, a broken shower isn't just an inconvenience, it's a problem that demands an immediate, expert solution. That's exactly where Pure Valley Plumbing comes in. For 7 years, we've been the trusted name in Moreno Valley for shower repair and replacement services that actually work. Our team of 120 skilled professionals isn't just fixing showers. We're restoring comfort, reliability, and peace of mind to every home and business we serve. Need a repair? We've got you covered with expert diagnostics and quick fixes that get your shower back to perfect in no time. Need a complete replacement? Our technicians will transform your shower into something beautiful, functional, and built to last. From modern fixtures to custom installations, we handle every detail with precision and professionalism. What sets us apart? Speed. When you call Pure Valley Plumbing, we don't make you wait. Our fully equipped service vans are ready to roll 24/7 with guaranteed emergency response within 60 minutes. That means whether it's the middle of the night or first thing Saturday morning, help is on the way. We're licensed master plumbers, EPA LEED Safe certified, and fully insured with $2 million in general liability coverage. Your home, your business, your safety. It all matters to us, and here's what really matters: our commitment to you. Every repair and installation comes with our 12-month warranty on parts and labor. We stand behind our work because we know the quality of your shower impacts your quality of life. Whether you're a senior in our community, a military veteran, an active homeowner, or a business manager, we've got special discounts and flexible financing to make premium plumbing services accessible to everyone. Imagine waking up tomorrow and stepping into a shower that works perfectly. No leaks, no surprises, no cold shocks. Just pure, reliable comfort every single time. That's not a dream. That's what Pure Valley Plumbing delivers to thousands of satisfied customers throughout Moreno Valley, North Moreno Valley, Moreno Valley Ranch, and surrounding neighborhoods. Don't settle for a broken shower. Don't waste money on temporary fixes that don't last. Don't stress about who to trust with your home's plumbing. Pure Valley Plumbing is Moreno Valley's most trusted local plumber, and we're ready to solve your shower problems today. Our team is standing by, fully equipped, fully qualified, and fully committed to making you a satisfied customer. Your shower deserves expert care. Your family deserves reliable service. Your business deserves a professional partner you can count on. Pure Valley Plumbing, where expert solutions meet local heart. Call today and experience the difference that 7 years of excellence and 120 skilled professionals can bring to your home or business. Shower repair, shower replacement, emergency service, expert installation, peace of mind. Pure Valley Plumbing delivers it all, 24/7 in Moreno Valley for residents and businesses just like yours. Don't wait. Don't compromise. Don't settle. Contact Pure Valley Plumbing today and transform your shower into the reliable, comfortable fixture you deserve. We're here. We're ready. Let's fix this together.